Hey guys, it's me Parker, and in today's video we are going to be building our fort again. So in today's video we are going to be doing the walls on each side, and as well as any other walls we need to do, any patch ups. As you guys can see, we have this one wall done that I finished in my own time because I was here once and I didn't have enough time to go back and get my camera. Sorry if it's really windy. It's really windy out right now and the audio might be bad, but we have finished one wall and we are going to do the rest, as well as just touch up, like I said. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, Hayden's back with us. Okay, the wind's really bad. Guys, sorry the audio is really bad right now. All I have to say is Hayden's here again, as well as we've made a pile for the long wood and a pile for all the short wood over here, so we can start building. Let's go. Alright guys, sorry for the windy audio again. Just a quick update. We finished this outside walls here and here. Alright guys, Hayden and I also added this little wall right here to make it more secluded in the fort. So we finished that wall back there and all of these walls. As well as now we are going to quickly finish the top of the roof going up to where this stick ends. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have finished the entire fort now with the roof, all the walls, and it's looking really good, guys. So that is the final project for today. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys happen to enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. We spent a lot of time on this, as well as go check out Hayden's channel down with the link below in the description. That is it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please leave a like and subscribe. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Parker out.